Hello, great people. Welcome to another episode of Game Green. I hope you guys is out there being great, seizing all opportunities, being positive, helping others. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button and then hit the subscribe button as well. Today, I want to talk to you guys about the importance of mentorship. Like I say, mentorship, man, that can get you to the next level. That's the cheat code right there. You know, you find somebody who already doing what it is that you want to do, whether it's e-commerce, real estate, stocks, Turo, Airbnb, all of these lucrative streams of income. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself. And when I say invest in yourself, don't be afraid to pay for a mentorship. Nothing is free out here, man. Nothing is free. That's investing in yourself. Put that money back. Read books. Take courses if you have to on what it is that you want to do. But mentorship is important. It's a cheat code that'll get you there much faster. You make less mistakes. You're learning off somebody who already made mistakes and lost money. Don't be afraid. Another thing, if you want to get in this game, you want to have your paperwork right. And when I'm speaking about your paperwork, I mean your paperwork such as your bank records, your articles of organization, your certificate of ownership with the State Department. What else? Copies of your bank statement. Banks are going to need these, depending on whether you're doing a conventional loan, a FHA, or a hard money loan. You're still going to need your paperwork. Make sure it's accessible. That could be your deal breaker right there. If you don't have paperwork, nobody's going to mess with you. So either have a Dropbox or have files on your computer where you can send that paperwork over immediately to the bank. So with that being said, we'll see you next time. We hit a gang green. That's what we here to do. Peace.